In this video, you'll learn how to explore source code and create project configurations in Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Assuming you have opened the project from the previous video, first open any source file by clicking its name in the Explorer view. Move your mouse over header names or the symbols associated with variables, macros or functions to show useful information. Press Ctrl or Command when clicking a symbol or header to show its definition or contents respectively. Navigate back using a keyboard shortcut. Use an alternate keyboard shortcut to simply peek a definition without opening its source file. Press Ctrl or Command T to show a list of global symbols used by the project. Select one from the list to jump to its definition. Partially or fully highlight a word before using the shortcut to show a list of all matching global symbols, even those unused by the project. On any occurrence of a symbol, right-click and select Rename Symbol, or place your cursor on the symbol and press F2, then enter a new name. Confirm that the program was refactored by right-clicking on the new symbol and selecting Find All References. Configurations store a set of project and compiler options. Create a new configuration by first opening the MPLAB project properties by typing the run command MPLAB Edit Project Properties UI, or click the cog icon in the project view. Expand the New Configuration drop-down and select Extend Existing, then Extend Default. This new configuration will extend the one currently selected and assign it the default name config_1. Let's change the optimization level in this new configuration by navigating to the C Compiler section. Scroll to the Optimization settings or start typing Optimization in the filter search to highlight this section. In the Optimization level drop-down, change the setting to Level 2. To confirm that this setting is stored in the config_1 configuration and will not affect the default configuration, check the project's .json file. Keep in mind that only options with non-default values have entries. Build your project, selecting the config_1 build task to see this new option in effect. Use the search feature in the terminal view to find the -O option and verify that Level 2 was requested. Build again, this time selecting the default configuration, and verify that the original optimization level was used.